In this video about evolution, we are going to continue what we have studied in the previous vid and think about evolution greatly and deeply. Now, evolution, according to the theory of evolution, evolution is universal. It is a gradual change occurring in the space, in the planet, in the universe, in the space and time, everywhere. And evolution is continuous. It is being done at every single phases of life. Evolution is continuous and it is being performed every single time and every single manner. Now, let's think about evolution in great deep studies and what is actually the reason for evolution. So evolution is nothing but gradual change as we have studied in many things and in previous standards. But currently whenever we are talking about evolution, then the thing is that the changes are done from nature. Every single changes that are here are done from nature. Now for evolution we need life because life came from evolution. So let's learn the story of evolution. The story of evolution goes like this. Around 7.2 billion years ago, there were no life on this planet Earth. But that situation changed itself in this following condition. How did it change itself? It changed itself when the simple compound changed themselves and they began to form organic and inorganic compound. Those organic and inorganic compound continued to form life, and that process may have taken billions of years ago as well. Billions of years. That period was also very long. As to state that why this is very necessary, because it took a long period. As I said earlier, evolution is the gradual change occurring in anything. It is universal. It is from every places to another. Now that life has formed, but there are very specific conditions for the formation of life, and those conditions are as follows. The planet that life is inheriting must be in the inhabitable zone. Now what is inhabitable zone, you might wonder. So inhabitable zone is the place in the universe, in the vacuum of the vast space. That space must be at a perfect distance from its star and not be very far, not be very close. Now what does that mean? So let's understand. It means simply that our earth, for example, if it was a more nearer to our sun, then its atmosphere must have been destroyed, because being too close to the sun and its temperature must have gone very high, thus life would not exist. Similarly, if it was at the place of Uranus or very far from the planet, from the star which is our sun, then life would have not been formed as well, because of the vast coldness present at a far distance from the sun, which is our star. So what does this conclusion mean? At conclusion we will learn that the conclusion is that our planet or any planet to sustain life must be in the inhabitable zone. So that's what we wonder, and that's what the reality. Now, similarly, after being in the inhabitable zone, the temperature would be the perfect. The temperature, the life, the plants would able to perform photosynthesis, and with the help of that, life would sustain itself once again, and that life would dominate everyone. And a similar condition may have occurred billions of years ago, and the first life material, the first living material, protoplasm, may have been formed. That protoplasm may have evolved into multicellular due to the urge of duplication and replication. Duplication and replication is nothing but reproduction, and they have duplicated themselves with the help of reproduction, leading to formation of multicellular, and that process was also billions of years of period, that the long duration it has taken. I have a crazy theory about the multicellular and evolution, which I will tell you in the next video. But on the same note, I will just tell you that evolution is gradual, occurring at every place, from the stones to the deep ocean to the highest mountains and to the planet to the stars and everywhere. Evolution is taking place everywhere at every time. to the poles, to the equator, to the coldness, to the warmness, life is everywhere. If you see our earth, you will find a type of organism living at that place as well. So life has various variety, it has diversity, and it has sustained itself on this earth. I hope you understand this thing, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.